Hello YouTube friend, welcome back to the Newcar TV channel. Don't forget to like, comments, subscribe and share.
New 2022 Lexus NX300 Hours F Sport Cargo Space. Rumor, redesign, the Lexus NX is getting older. Released in 2014, the compact luxury crossover has received one facelift that doesn't indeed deviate from the unique design, but that's okay as Lexus ensured that NX's design is forward of its time. Also, if you want a hybrid edition, there's an accessible NX300 Hours for you. Feature: the 2022 Lexus NX300 Hours F Sport incorporates tighter sport-tuned suspensions and front-side/rear performance dampers, which leads to a sportier, however clean and comfy trip. The NX300 believes wonderful right behind the tire, and it is simple to maneuver. Never anticipate super small dealing with, although sports function tends to make the generate the most stimulating. The 300 Hours will come regular with Lexus Electrical on-need all-wheel drive system with Knowledge, AWDI, system. Specification: the most significant distinction between the 300 Hours and NX300 is the powertrain. The NX300 Hours system provides 194 horsepower from the hybrid powertrain, a 2.5-liter several-tube engine and an electric motor. That is significantly lower than the fuel model's 235 horses. However, it is not simply about the variety. A hybrid system needs to truly feel better than the horsepower quantity shows, thanks to a motor's enhancement. Torque is 258 pounds-feet. In the fuel-only model, Toyota fails to give a torque body for the hybrid within its spec sheet. Although road driving experienced fantastic, I experienced it may have used a lot more off-of-the-line velocity in the area driving. That is anything hybrids are competent of currently. Get the new Toyota Venza Car Pro show number Jerry Reynolds just recently examined. The hybrid system is mated to an electronic format managed constantly adjustable transmission with paddle shifters. As you would envision, fuel economy is a reward of the hybrid powertrain, and the NX300 HAWD provides 31 miles per gallon merged compared to the fuel-only model's 24 miles per gallon mixed, W/AWD. A hybrid system sign and gasoline ingestion signal is situated in a 4.2 TFT monitor. You can operate it entirely on an electric F setting in some circumstances listed below roughly 35 miles per hour, so never anticipate using that solution typically. The system also contains regenerative braking, which recharges the battery pack when you use the braking system. 2022 Lexus NX300 Hours F Sport price and release date. This 2022 Lexus NX300 Hours F Sport commences from $46,810, around $5,000 more than you will pay for the gasoline-only F Sport AWD. With all the choices on my analysis model, you are taking a look at $49,040. You will get 2 items 0 Halliburton lightweight suitcases set up with the Blackline Special Edition. Thank you for watching this channel. Wait for the next video and don't forget to like, comments and subscribe.